Let's play piano 3. Remember we were playing some pattern games.
Two. Where is 3? I don't know.
Want to have a go? Here's one. How many black notes? Well, there's 1 and here's 2. That's a 2. Here's another one. How many this time? There's 1, 2, 3 black notes. Can we find where those fit? Let's hide them under my hat. What's this one? It's a 2. There it goes. What's next? Oh, there's a missing 3. There it goes into the piano. One more. And it's a 3. Let's put that on the piano. We also found some notes. What's in the middle of the 2 black notes? Is it a tiger? Tiger note? No. It's dog. It's D for dog. What's next to D for dog? What's that one? Is it a monkey? No. It's cat. C for cat. C, D, and let's do a new one. It's elephant. E for elephant. So we've got C, D, E.
There we go.
Here's a song.
Cats and dog with elephant makes a lovely tune. Cats and dog with elephant, come and see them soon.
Now that's fast, isn't it? But how many C's at the start? Well, there's 2 C's, 2 D's and 3 E's. Can we just play that bit?
Cats and dog with elephant.
You can play with one hand, but when it's small, maybe just one finger, and you won't get it straight away. What have we got next? 2 C's, 2 D's and an E. That sounds like this. That's 2 bits together. What's at the end? 2 E's, 2 D's and a C. That's quite hard and it'll take a long time to learn.
Cats and dog with elephant, come and see them soon.